Right now, somebody with less experience, less money, and less time than you is building a side hustle that's changing their life. They're taking control of their future, building something they're passionate about, and stacking wins like it's their job. And you know what? They're not special. They just decided to start. And if you're tired of sitting on the sidelines watching everybody else win, this video is your wake up call. It's time to unleash that inner beast, that fire in your belly that's ready to create, to build, to dominate. I'm about to break down exactly how you can start your own side hustle, even if you feel like you have no time, no money, and no clue where to start. We're talking a step by step blueprint for success designed for the everyday man who's ready to level up. Let's get into it. First up, you got to choose your lane. What do I mean by that? You can't be everything to everybody, right? You can't be building a spaceship while also trying to be the world's best chef. You got to focus that energy, that drive, that hunger into something specific. Pick a hustle that fits your life right now. And listen, it doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, the simpler, the better when you're starting out. Quick story. When I started, I thought I had to invent the next iPhone or open a giant store. Man, I was putting so much pressure on myself. It was paralyzing. But then I realized something. My first side hustle didn't need to be $1 billion idea. It just needed to solve a problem. And you know what? My first side hustle was something simple. Helping people fix their phones, no big money, no fancy titles, just solving a small problem people had. And let me tell you, the feeling of helping someone, of seeing that relief on their face when their phone was fixed, that was priceless. It gave me the confidence, the momentum to keep going. Action step. Ask yourself two simple questions. What skills do I already have that people would pay for? What problems do people around me need solved? It could be cutting grass, fixing computers, selling things online, tutoring kids, whatever it is, start where you are with what you got. You have something valuable to offer the world. Don't underestimate yourself. Next, set a simple game plan. Don't overthink this. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to get moving. You can adjust course along the way, but you can't steer a parked car, right? Here's a quick blueprint to get you started. Pick one thing you're going to sell. Pick one way you're going to find customers. Pick one simple goal for your first 30 days. That's it. No need to overcomplicate things. Focus on the fundamentals. Action. Step. Write this down today. I help who with what by how. Example. I help busy parents keep their cars clean by offering mobile car detailing. That's it. Simple, clear, powerful. You don't need a big website. You don't need a logo yet. You need a service or a product that helps people. Period. Remember, clarity creates power. When you're clear about what you offer and who you serve, the rest falls into place. Chapter 3, test, tweak, and talk. All right, now we're rolling. Third, test, tweak, and talk. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Your first idea might not be perfect, and that's okay. In fact, it probably won't be perfect, but that's part of the process. Your side hustle is like a recipe. You got to taste it, tweak it, and make it better. You wouldn't serve a dish without tasting it first, would you? Quick story. My first few offers didn't catch fire right away. I was so excited, so pumped, but the response was lukewarm. But you know what? I didn't give up. I took a step back, looked at what wasn't working, and started tweaking. But every time I made a small change, better price, better packaging, better pitch, boom, it got better. The key is to be open to feedback, to be willing to experiment, and to never stop learning. Action step. Start offering your hustle to friends, family, coworkers, neighbors. Pay attention to what they say. What do they like? What are their objections? If nobody's buying, don't quit. Tweak something. Price, offer, timing, packaging. Small changes equal big win. Chapter 4, turn up your visibility. Now, it's time to turn up your visibility. You can't be a secret and expect to get paid. People need to know you exist. They need to know what you offer and how you can help them. This is where a lot of guys get stuck. They're afraid to put themselves out there. They're afraid of judgment, of rejection, of failure. But you know what? The only way to fail is to never start. Action step. Post about what you're doing on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Tell your network. Hey, I would say, hey, I'm offering this service. If you or someone you know needs it, let me know. Don't be spammy. Be helpful. Share stories, share results, share testimonials. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Bonus tip. Offer a friends and family deal for your first 10 customers. This builds momentum fast. It gives you valuable experience and social proof. Chapter 5. Stack small wins into big wins. Last but not least, stack small wins into big wins. Every customer matters. Every dollar counts. Every lesson builds your confidence. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Success is a journey, not a destination. Quick reminder. Your side hustle doesn't have to make you rich overnight. It just has to move you one step closer to freedom. Freedom to pursue your passions, to provide for your family, to live life on your own terms. Action step. Track your progress every week. How many customers did you reach? How much revenue did you generate? What did you learn? Celebrate every small win. Every win, no matter how small, deserves to be celebrated. It's fuel for the fire. Keep showing up. The only way you lose is if you quit. So get out there, put in the work, and watch your side hustle thrive. Outro, your next level awaits. Listen, you've got what it takes to build something incredible. You've got the drive, the passion, the hunger. Now, it's time to turn that potential into reality. If you're ready to get serious about building your side hustle and want more tools to grow faster, go download my free ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. It's packed with game-changing tips to help you move smarter, not harder. You can grab it right now at The Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. And if you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with a brother who needs that push. Remember, your next level is waiting for you to stop waiting on perfect timing and start moving. Let's get it.